Hey, if you want to become a full-stack developer, you gotta know the MERN stack. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a full MERN project from scratch in just 2 minutes. No confusion, no extra steps. Let's go! First things first, make sure you've got a few things ready. Node.js, that's going to give you npm to install all the packages you need. Then grab Visual Studio Code, it's the editor we'll use. And finally, MongoDB, either the community server on your machine or MongoDB Atlas if you like the cloud. Once it's installed, it's ready to go right out of the box.
Okay, let's set up the backend. In your project folder, create a folder called Server. Go inside and run npm init-y. That just sets up your project quickly. Now install a few packages: Express, Mongoose, Cores, and .env. Next, create a file called index.js, and let's add some basic code to connect to MongoDB. All right, now the front end. Open your terminal and run npm create vite at latest client. Once it's ready, jump into the client folder. Go to src and open app.js. Let's make something super simple for now. And just like that, this is your front end. Simple, clean, done.
Now the fun part. Let's see it live. Go to your terminal, open the server folder, and run node index.js. Then, in a new terminal, go to the client folder and npm run dev. And there you go, your full MERN setup. How cool is that?